Hello and good day. Today is beautiful. Check it out. That's the hood. We're going to show you guys how to cut a kindergartner's hair. He's actually going to be in first grade next year. He's graduating. That's why he's getting his hair cut, so he can look nice and proper. And Zach's going to be showing you how to do that. And at the very least, you'll see the experience of giving a 5-year-old a haircut on your own. Okie dokie, let's get it. What's happening?
Are we live?
Yeah, we're live.
All right. Isaac graduates kindergarten tomorrow.
No!
Isaac, what kind of haircut do you want?
Short hair.
All right. We're going to start off number 4 on the side and then blend 4 up to like a 6 or a 7 and then do the top with scissors. Isaac, look down. Isaac, you're like the best haircut boy I've ever seen. You got some really long neck hairs. Let me just get right around your ear and then I'll... Isaac, we're going to get some of your top hairs combed up to the center. Because I like to do the top hair with scissor.
Ow.
And the sides with the trimmers. Isaac, that's why you're wearing a cape.
All right.
Isaac, we're going to get your hair into like a mohawk so I can finish buzzing your sides.
They look like a mohawk.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to graduate tomorrow with a mohawk?
No.
I'll do like 6 like this, and then I'll do 5 just from the middle up, and then I'll go back at the very end with a 4 just around to get anything I missed in the beginning.
That's a lot. That's
Yep.
6, 5.
6, 5, and 4.
6, 5, 4
It's
side.
like 3 numbers. Isaac, let me go around real quick. It'll take less than a minute. Sorry.
Ow.
Sorry. Isaac, I'm not trying to hurt you. So Isaac's got a lot of colics where like his hair back grows in this direction, this back grows in this direction, so you've got to keep changing the angle. Isaac, you are doing awesome.
No, 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 no.
Alright, so I'm actually going to do the top first because I'm probably going to blend 6 more into the top. And then to cut the top, you just pick a length you want to go with, and you make your first cut, and then start like working backwards, and then match the hairs to that first cut. You can see the length difference. You just make a match, and then kind of find where the 6 blended up into here, and I try to match the scissors into the shears.
When am I done?
Maybe 10 more minutes.
No.
Isaac, don't you want to look handsome for your graduation? This is the hard part. You gotta go around the sides. Isaac, you got some long hairs up here. How'd your hairs get so long?
Maybe it's been like 1 year. All done.
Nope.
Just let me done. Are you really after giving me 10 minutes?
Yep. So we got around the sides, now we'll get the middle. Just go straight down the middle. You're like pretty much almost done with the top, and then we just gotta clean up the sides, and you will be a new boy. 5 more minutes. And then your hair's gonna look perfect. Just look up. I'm gonna cut your bangs.
What are beans?
It's like your hair that's on your forehead. Okay, look straight up. Okay, now close your eyes.
Oh,
It's okay, buddy.
are you all done?
I'm gonna touch up the sides, and then yeah, you're all done. Isaac, who is that?
Elijah. I go to my school tomorrow when I have to do my singing. That last part.
We're gonna do 6, then 5, then 4, and then 0, and you're done.
That's like 4.
All right, look down. Did you get hair in your mouth?
No.
You got hair in your mouth?
No, no.
Here, Isaac, just wipe it on me. Better? It's almost done, Isaac. Guess what?
Ow.
Guess what? We're down to 0.
Ow.
Isaac. Ready? I'm gonna give you some cool sideburns. Does it tickle? Oh my gosh, it tickled. Now we're gonna go over your ears. Just don't move. Now I'm gonna get your neck. This will tickle, all right? Okay, now look down. Okay, Isaac, ready for some tickles? Oop, Isaac, don't move too fast. You're doing great, buddy. You're gonna have the best neck in the world. Okay, you can look up now. We just gotta go around this ear, bring it around town.
Is that fun?
Yeah. Let's see the final product, Isaac.
Oh.
Let me comb your hair. been so long since you had a haircut. Some of your hairs are kind of crazy. Isaac, how's that look? Do you feel like a new boy?